County Consumer Plumbing Service and Repair Group, comprised of independently owned and operated union contractors, has served San Francisco and the peninsula for more than 75 years. Member contractors are located conveniently throughout the peninsula. All of our contractors are licensed, bonded, and insured. Only union-trained professionals serve customers of County Consumer Plumbing Service and Repair Group. These highly qualified journeyman plumbers have thousands of hours of training. The installations and repairs they perform are made to last. Their work complies with all codes and safety regulations. County Consumer Plumbing Service and Repair Group, 1-800-378-DRIP.